How to make everyone can send message requests on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can send message requests on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click here on your profile and then click this three lines in the top corner, and here we'll find settings and then click privacy, and now just select messages and here we'll find it, allow new message request settings. Now all you need to do is just click this one, everyone, and go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.